Hi, today we want to write a code for display the true color composite from the Sentinel-2. First of all, need to open the code.earthengine.google.com, and in the new script we need to define the area of interest. Yeah, my area of interest is a building. I write it define the variable like this variable point equal ee dot geometry dot point longitude of a building 13.45 and latitude is 52.53, and I want to that map center object with a zoom rate of a 10. If you run this part you can see the map zoom it on the building. And after this, I want to filter the Sentinel-1 image uh, with the 5% of a cloud. As you know, the Sentinel-2 image is optical satellite, and we need to filter the image and find the non-cloud image. For this purpose, I define the variable and I name it as 2 equal ee from the image collection dot image collection. This is a Copernic S2 S4 harmonized. You can search this in a Earth Engine data catalog. This data set's available from 2017 until now, and we have a 5 days revisit time. And provider is a European Space Agency. We have 12 bonds here, as you can see, with a different pixel size. For example, bond B2 is a blue, B3 is a green, B4 is a red, and we have other bonds. And you can review this dataset catalog from the site and investigate more. And after this, I added to filter bond based on a point and filter the date. I want to find the image recently define the from the March and after this image. You can adjust date as you need and filter the cloud percentage. Write the filter ee.filter.lt the cloudy pixel percentage. I write it to 5%. You can increase and decrease this. If you want the non-cloud image, you can change it to 1%, or if you prefer and you want more data, you can increase this one. And you can add the sort the cloudy pixel percentage and add the dot first to select the clearest first image. And after this, you need to print the. We want to know the date of an image selected with this filtration. After this filtration, and we can write the simple one line code to print selected Sentinel-2 image to S2 that print the selected image in a console. And after this, we need to define the resolution parameter. I define the resolution parameter for two color of RGB, red, green, blue from the var resolution parameters and bonds B432 red, green, blue, and need to define the minimum and maximum value of this and the gamma value. And after this, you need to add the defined image and resolution parameter on the map. For this purpose, we write the map dot add layer s2 resolution parameter and the name of a layer Sentinel-2 true color cloud less than 5%. And if you run this code, you can see we have a printed image here, and if you open this, you can see the type is image and ID versions, and you can see the selected image. And for the date of image you can find here 2024 2nd of April, and you can see for the Berlin area We have a true color for the 2nd April. You can zoom. If you're interested the area, you can see the park area, buildings area, and you can change this maximum value if you want to change the brightness like this. For example, if you want to compare the image with the previous years, you can, for example, add 2020 image and yet explore more of this data. For example, you can see we have more green areas related to the things that mm, not is not related to months of a selection, but for example, in April 2020, we have more green areas in the parks, and but yeah, in 2025, if you check again, you can see we have a less green areas. Yeah. Yeah, I write it wrongly. I need to remove this 0 here and run again and zoom here. You can see the same parks. Thank you for your watching. Please subscribe and like and watch all other videos.